not sure when the next Phillies game is, but that's where they play at. All right, now, this is still the Eagles practice facility. You can't see in that damn thing. You can't see shit. Can't see a damn thing. Oh, look, there's some dudes in there. There's some players in there. There's some guys in there right now. Who's in there? We got Jalen in there. Are they working on equipment? We got some coaches. Creeping them out probably. Let me get out of here. All right, here we go. Still can't see in there. Jefferson Health practice facility. Yep, Jefferson Health practice facility. Yep, no trespassing. All right, so this is the park we came from, FDR Park, right there. Pretty big park. We actually used to call that the Lakes. I'm from the southwest section of Philadelphia, so anything outside of like 63rd Street was always like upscale to us. So this was always considered the Lakes. Anyway, let's head down. Let's go past the stadiums a little bit, see what we got going on. We got a traffic guy fixing the traffic machine. Okay. The back of his shirt says traffic. I don't know. You see, with this thing right here, nice and quiet, breeze through areas. Memorial Day. Too bad it rained all weekend. It's nice out today though. Not bad. Yeah, it's not a good time of the year for sports activities over here. Baseball, yeah, prime time. Baseball all season long. Hopefully we got a red October. You know what I mean? Oh, looks like we got the traffic guys all over the place down here, huh? Car duff. Probably trying to work on a way to install cameras to give someone a ticket. Unreal. Let's go see what we got going on over here. Who's this? Where are we at here? The Live Center. Smoking Joe Frazier, homie. World Cup. Oh yeah. I ain't gonna go all the way down. I wanna turn around. But yeah, this is where that's where the Sixers and the Flyers play. And then we got the Eagles right here. They're talking about putting a dome on that. Doubt it. And then I'm assuming we got the World Cup people.
I guess they drove up here, so they're not going to be in for a little bit.
Okay. Try to be nice to everyone. Probably came from Asia or something to be here.